Hi there, welcome to X tutorial videos. This video is a continuation of the guest feature. In this video, we will be looking at how to do guest follow-up. On the left panel, you will see the guest tab. Go to guest follow-up. On this page, you will see a list of guests that have attended a particular service or event. The events are organized in chronological order, with the latest date and event at the top. Under each date and event, you will see the guests that have attended or joined this particular event. You can assign every guest to two kinds of follow-up. One is a follow-up personnel, that is an individual, which I will talk about more later in this video, or a guest can be assigned to a particular care group in which follow-up is done through care groups. Let's now look at assigning a guest to an individual to do follow-up. Click on Assign. On this page, you will see the details of the guest. The guest is tagged as either a priority or a potential. What does priority mean? The system will automatically tag a guest as priority if the guest is either water baptized or has received the Holy Ghost, or both. If either one of these options are indicated yes, the system will automatically tag this guest as priority. This helps in the organization of guest data, which we will look at later on in this video. However, the system still allows you to manually indicate what kind of priority or potential or what kind of type this particular guest will belong to. You can then choose the follow-up person that you would like to assign this guest to. A list of follow-up personnel will appear for your choice. These names appear here because they have been indicated as a follow-up personnel in their individual member profiles. To know how this is done, please look at the tutorial video about member features. Next, select a follow-up date, which means a date that you would like a follow-up to be done by. Let's say we give them a week. Once all that is done, click Assign. And your guest has been successfully assigned to a member for follow-up. Once the follow-up personnel has submitted a report on this guest, this icon will appear under the report column. To view the report, click on the eye under the action column. You can see that a report has been made about a call that was done. Click on this eye to view details of this report. This is the report that was submitted by the follow-up personnel. This is an activity that has yet to be done, which means this is a report, another follow-up report yet to be submitted. Now let's look at the Guest Progress Overview tab. By clicking on this, it will bring you to a page where you can see both priority and potential guests. As explained earlier in the video, guests that appear under the Priority tab are guests who have either received the baptism of the Holy Ghost or have been water baptized, or both. We have organized them under the Priority tab as it indicates their journey nearing being born again. There is a legend at the bottom that helps you identify the icons under the action column. When we click on the check mark, it means that we would like to complete this assignment or follow-up. This will mean that a member that has been assigned this follow-up assignment will not need to report on it anymore. The eye icon, as usual, refers to viewing more details of this guest, and the dustbin will help us to delete this record. The arrows, on the other hand, helps us to manually move these guests from the priority to the potential tab. So while the system automatically tags these guests for us, we still have the ability to be able to manually decide if these guests fall under the priority or the potential tab. In order to have an overview of the kind of activities that have been done with these particular guests, click on the eye and you will see all the events that they have been involved in.